This was an absolute surprise snowstorm. We're in Minden, Nevada, and we woke up this morning and there was a snowstorm going on outside and the biggest snowflake that we have ever seen. Now, snow is unusual from us as we're from Southern California. Some of you take snow for granted. But this was absolutely beautiful. Now, it did go away in about 3 hours, but it just sitting in the RV, warm and snuggly, and watching these big flakes come floating down. What fun! I got dressed, took the camera outside, and took some pictures around the RV park.
Boy, it is snowing. Wow, it is a snowstorm. Wow.
May not be a big deal to you, but it's certainly a big deal for people from Southern California.